Institutional order flow cannot be seen directly on TradingView in the same way it can on a full depth of market or professional order book platform. What you can do, however, is track the footprints that larger participants tend to leave behind. That means watching how price behaves around liquidity, how volume expands or contracts, and whether momentum is backed by genuine participation or short-term noise. A practical way to do this is to combine volume-based tools with structure-based indicators. Start with volume profile or session volume tools. These show where the market has done the most business. High-volume nodes often point to areas where larger participants were comfortable building or distributing positions, while low-volume areas can highlight rejection zones where price moved too quickly to establish acceptance. When price returns to one of these areas and reacts decisively, that can tell you much more than price on its own. You can then add a cumulative volume delta style indicator or a buy and sell pressure tool from the public library to judge whether aggressive participation is supporting the move. If price is pushing higher but the delta reading is flattening or weakening, that can suggest the move is losing sponsorship. If price breaks a key level and participation expands with it, the case for continuation becomes stronger. The same logic applies when price is moving lower. VWAP is another useful reference point. Institutions often measure execution quality around the volume-weighted average price, so it becomes an important benchmark during the session. If price is holding above VWAP and pullbacks remain controlled, that can suggest buyers are maintaining favorable positioning. If price repeatedly fails around VWAP and selling volume builds, that points more towards distribution than accumulation. Market structure gives the whole reading context. A break of a prior swing high or low means very little on its own. What matters is whether the break happens with strong participation, whether it holds, and whether the retest finds support or rejection. This is where order block, support and resistance, or liquidity-based indicators can help organize the chart. The key is to stop looking for a single indicator that claims to reveal smart money. Institutional order flow is better understood as a combination of evidence. Use volume profile to identify acceptance, VWAP to judge positioning, delta or pressure tools to assess aggression, and market structure to confirm whether the move is actually being defended. When those signals align, you are no longer guessing. You are reading the behavior that larger participants tend to leave behind.